Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your WhatsApp application right from your mobile devices. First of all, open up WhatsApp application on your device. If you have not downloaded the app yet, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store and install the app first. Once the app is installed, tap the WhatsApp app icon on your phone to open the app. Now click on Agree and Continue. On the next page, select your country and write down your phone number and tap on Next. Allow WhatsApp to sync in access to your contacts by tapping on Continue. Now select the contacts you'd like to share with WhatsApp, and then on the next page, go ahead and write down your name. You can also upload a profile picture for yourself and tap on Done. You will then be asked to verify your phone number. An OTP will be sent to you via SMS in the provided number, and after entering the number, you will then be able to log into your WhatsApp account. You are now successfully logged in and are ready to message your contacts. That is how you can easily log into WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.